What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a flat twist bun tutorial. This is actually the hairstyle I had in my very first video, and I had a few people ask me to do the tutorial on this style, so I'm going to be doing it today. So what you're going to need for this style is a water bottle, a spray bottle with water in it. You're gonna need some leave-in conditioner, but I'm using the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Week leave-in conditioner. It's also a detangling spray, so very good product to use when you're trying to detangle your hair. You're also gonna need a soft bristle brush, a hard bristle brush, a detangling comb, a comb to part your hair with. You could use a denim brush as well. You're also gonna need an edge brush, some scrunchies, and then you're gonna need some edge booster and Eco-Styler. I am almost out of Eco-Styler, so hopefully I have enough to even do this video. But without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to section off your hair into 4 sections with your scrunchies before you start detangling your hair. So I'm going in with my spray bottle just because it's been a while since I actually washed my hair. It's been about an hour, so it did get a little dry, so I'm just getting it a little bit damp before I actually start combing. And then I'm going to go in with my Tri-Week leave-in conditioner to actually start detangling my hair. I have stated this in previous videos, but when you're detangling your hair, you want to start off at the ends of your hair and then work your way up to the roots, just so that your hair doesn't break off. And this is the least painful way to detangle your hair. I'm now just gonna cornrow my hair while my hair is actually drying, and I do this all the time when I detangle my hair instead of just putting it in a regular braid. I really don't know why I do this. I just cornrow it and it gets it out the way, and it helps my hair get a little bit dry before I actually start the style. Not completely dry, but a little dry. So I finished detangling my hair off camera, and now I'm just taking my towel and kind of patting the braids to kind of suck out a lot of that moisture that got into it. You don't want to suck it all out, but you do want to get a little bit out because it's very hard to work with gel when your hair is like soaking wet. So now I'm just going to take out all of the braids and start this style. So once you finish taking out the braids, you're going to go ahead and part your hair. And I'm going to do a middle part today, but you can do this style in a side part and follow these same exact steps, except you will make a side part. So now you're going to go in with some Eco-Styler, and you're just going to start applying that pretty much all over your head on the top of your hair. You don't need a lot of Eco-Styler for this style, but you're going to put it in the front, the back, and on top of your hair. Then you are going to go in with your hard bristle brush to do this first step of brushing. I want to make note that when you are doing this step of brushing, when you're brushing the two sides in the front, you don't necessarily want to brush them to the back. You kind of want to just brush them straight down. Like you want to brush it directly down, not to the back, because when you actually start twisting your hair, if you brush your hair to the back, it's going to make it very hard to actually twist your hair. So now I'm going to go in with some edge booster, and I'm just going to put that all over just like I put the Eco-Styler, but you're not going to put as much edge booster as Eco-Styler. And you're going to go back in with your hard bristle brush, brushing down during this step as well. And after this, you're actually going to start twisting the hair. So now you're just going to take some hair in the front, you're going to split it off into two sections, and when you start twisting, you're going to start with the piece in the back and then bring it over the piece in the front and keep twisting and adding more hair as you go on along the twist. If you need to comb out any hair to flatten it out or detangle it, you can go ahead and do that. But just remember to bring the piece in the back, the piece in the front, and then at the end, you're going to take a long bobby pin to hold it into place. On this side, if you're right-handed or you predominantly use your right hand, it may feel a little awkward to bring the back piece over the front when you're twisting, but in order for the twist to look the exact same as the other side, you need to bring the back piece over the front piece. Like, that is the most important step, because if you don't do it that way, the twist will look like two completely different twists. So now I'm going to go in with some of my edge booster, and I'm just going to start doing my edges. This part is also kind of important because when you're actually twisting your hair, you're going to end up twisting up a lot of your edges. So you want to be really careful when you're trying to brush them out or comb them out. You just want to be careful that you're not breaking them off. Now that you've finished your edges, you're just going to start brushing your hair back down with a hard bristle brush because you're going to actually start putting it inside of the ponytail. And you want to make sure that it's laying like really flat, or you're going to have humps and bumps all in your hair, and you don't want that. Don't forget to gel the back of your hair with your Eco-Styler and edge booster, and you can use a soft bristle brush in the back, but just don't forget to do that. You're now going to take a silk scarf and you're just going to tie your hair down for at least 30 minutes, but you can leave it on overnight, but you want to at least give it 30 minutes to set and dry. I was really feeling the puff over the bun, but like I said at the beginning, I was going to do a bun, so I ended up putting it in a bun. But once you take your scarf off, you're going to have a nice flat twist bun or puff. And like I said, this works for both middle part and side part. And to create my bun, all I did was wrap my hair around, and I used one small bobby pin to secure the end in place. That is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a huge natural hair giveaway coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!